We rarely meet people who don't like biscuits. Whenever we visit someone's home, we are greeted with biscuits and tea as refreshments. Biscuits have a huge market, and each type has its unique design. A lot of biscuits are also designed with holes in them, and that often makes us wonder about the reason behind this. The holes in biscuits are known as Docker holes. You must have noticed them in a lot of sweet and salty biscuits, as well as in cream-filled biscuits like bourbon. These holes are associated with their manufacturing and design. The primary reason for the holes is that they allow air to pass through during baking, preventing them from swelling further. Manufacturers first spread flour, sugar, and salt on a sheet-like tray, which is then placed under a machine before the baking process. This machine then makes holes as desired in the dough. Biscuits cannot be made properly without these holes because if the dough gets filled with air, it will swell when heated in the oven. And then, the size of the biscuits will begin to expand. The presence of holes keeps a check on the size and gives a uniform shape to biscuits. The machine creates holes that are evenly spaced and are equal in size. Owing to this, the biscuit rises and cooks uniformly from every corner. It also makes the biscuits crunchy after cooking. Docker holes also help with the baking process as without them, the heat will not be able to escape and the temperature in the biscuits would remain unstable. This can lead to the formation of cracks in biscuits while baking.